Welcome back to the Everyday English channel. I'm Michelle, and welcome to episode 19 of our 30-day English journey. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to say what you like or don't like in English, but all that came out was, I like it or I don't like it? Yeah, that gets boring pretty fast. Today, I'm going to show you how to talk about likes and dislikes in a way that sounds natural, relaxed, and very American. This is the secret to sounding more confident and making your conversations much more interesting. And before we start, if you want to speak English more comfortably in everyday situations, make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, let's get into it. First, let's talk about things you like. Of course, you can say, I like coffee. That's correct, but it's very basic. In real life, Americans love to show enthusiasm. We often say, I really like, I love, or my favorite, I'm really into. For example, I really like iced coffee. I really like iced coffee. I love watching movies on the weekend. I love watching movies on the weekend. I'm really into yoga these days. I'm really into yoga these days. That phrase, I'm really into, sounds super natural. It means you are interested in something right now. Wow, instant upgrade to your English. Now, let's talk about dislikes. Be careful here. In English, saying I hate can sound very strong or even a bit rude. Instead, Americans usually soften it with phrases like, I'm not a big fan of, or I'm not really into. For example, I'm not a big fan of spicy food. I'm not a big fan of spicy food. I'm not really into crowded places. I'm not really into crowded places. See, you're being honest, but you still sound polite and friendly. This is perfect for small talk with new people. Now, here's how you keep a conversation going. Add a reason. Just one simple reason can turn a boring answer into a real conversation. For example, I love morning walks because it helps me relax. I love morning walks because it helps me relax. Or, I'm not a big fan of winter because it's way too cold for me. I'm not a big fan of winter because it's way too cold for me. See the difference? You're not just giving an answer, you're sharing a piece of your life. All right, now let's practice together. Relax your shoulders, follow my rhythm, and repeat with feeling. I really like cooking at home. I really like cooking at home. I'm really into podcasts these days. I'm really into podcasts these days. I'm not a big fan of spicy food. I'm not a big fan of spicy food. I don't really like crowded places. I don't really like crowded places. I love weekends because I can relax. I love weekends because I can relax. Nice! That already sounds like something you'd hear on the streets of New York or LA. Talking about likes and dislikes isn't just about words, it's how people connect. Once you can share what you enjoy and what you don't, your conversations will feel much more personal. Here's your episode 19 homework. Tell me, in the comments, what's one thing you really like and one thing you're not a big fan of. For example, I really like coffee, but I'm not a big fan of waking up early. I'll be reading your comments and replying to them. If this episode helped you, give it a thumbs up. Tomorrow, in episode 20, we'll talk about daily routines, how to describe your day naturally. We are almost at the 20-day milestone, so stay with me. I'm Michelle from Everyday English. Don't just learn English, live English. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next episode.